In this video, I am going to show you how to extract business leads, business data or company data using the Business Extractor. All right, so this software is available, and if you want it, just check the description and also the first comment. My contact details are there. Just check there and get to me. All right, so first of all, I am going to show you how to install this software. My name is Kojon Ketia of SAS Media Studio. On this channel, we create lessons relating to cryptocurrency, business marketing, making passive money online, code email marketing, website development. Okay, so if you want this kind of content, all you have to do is just hit the subscribe button, okay, and also like this video. You have to leave comment, any comment that you wish, just leave it. All right, so there's no time to waste. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the tool. Okay, so if you want this software, just check the description and also the first comment. You are going to see my contact details over there. Just get to me and you're going to get it for a cool price, or I can help you get it for a cool price. All right, so first of all, I am going to show you how to install this software. So I'm just going to right click it and I'm going to use 7-zip to extract here. You can use any compressed software. Okay, I'm going to use extract here. Okay, so the password is, all right, so now it has been extracted, so you can see this is it. All right, so this is the password 123. I've told you. All right, so I'm going to open this folder, then I am going to click here to install it. All right, so this is it. I'm going to click on OK by selecting English as my country. Next, and yes, next. Create a desktop shortcut, it's not compulsory. Next, and install. All right, so now I'm done. I'm going to deselect this and click on finish. So now the software has been installed successfully. All right, so I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to open the Business Extractor. All right, so now this is the software. So what we are going to do now is we are going to start extracting our data. Right, so the first section you can see here is the category or the keywords section. So what kind of data you want? Okay, so if you want schools, if you want restaurants, if you want marketing companies, if you want musicians, footballers, just have to enter them here. All right, so I'm going to click on add category. All right, so I'm going to just say school and okay. All right, enter is okay, that's all. I'm going to add one more, so church, enter, one more. So you can add as many as you want, but remember, the more you add, the longest it's going to take to get you a lot of data. Okay, and make sure you have PC with good CPU, you understand? All right, so it's not good to extract your data using a VPS server if the VPS server has not enough memory and CPU. So take this note very carefully. All right, so now we are done with the keywords or the category. Now let's get to the location. These keywords or companies that you want, okay, or this category that you want, at what location do you want those schools and church or those keywords from? All right, so I'm going to click on add location. All right, so now you can see we have country, you have state, you have city, you have the zip code. All right, so I'm going to select the country. Then let's say I want the United States of America. So these are the countries there. All right, so now you can see at the state section we have all the states. So if you want all the states, so they have a lot of states. Okay, so that means it is going to take a longer time to extract a larger number of data. This is business data. It's not only the emails, it comes with the company name, description, and that stuff. So it is going to do a deep search. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose one state. Let's say Alabama. Then under Alabama we have a lot of cities. Okay, so I'm going to click on this to select just one city. So let's say Alexander City. So under Alexander City there are a lot of zip codes. When I click here, okay, there are 2 zip codes. So when I can select one zip code, okay, then do my search on that. So now since I am okay now, I'll just click on okay over here. So you can see that the United States, Alabama, Alexander City, and this is the zip code. All right, so that is it. So now make sure you select all. You select this one as well, and you click on get data. All right, so when I click on get data, you can see these are the tasks that we have. So the task one is we are looking for schools in the United States and in Alabama state, and we have the Alexander City with this zip code. And the second task is churches in the same location. You understand? So now that we are done, okay, I'm going to select all the data now. All right, then click on get data again. So do you want to replace previous? Yes. So now let me minimize this for you to see something. So there is extraction going on. You can see at the bottom over here we have working on task one, extracting result. All right, so that means our data is being extracted. So all you have to do is just give it a time, wait for it to extract our data, then we come back. All right, so you can see we have been able to extract 25 results out of 27. For the purpose of this video, I am going to stop this. When it's finished with the task one, it will move on to the task two. All right, so that means there are like 27 schools in Alexander City and that particular zip. You understand? So I am going to click on stop over here. Okay, so you can see stopped by user. So I'm going to click on okay. So now, so this is okay. So now this is the data we were able to extract. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to click on select all, then I'm going to click on export over here, and I'm going to save it any name, just say mine, okay, something like that, and I'm going to click on save, and that's all. Our data has been saved. So when I go to my document and go for mine, this is mine, so I'm going to open it in my browser. So let's check this out. All right, so now this is spreadsheet. Okay, you can use Microsoft Excel. Right, so I'm going to click on file over here and click on import, then click on upload, then click on browse. All right, so before I continue, make sure you like this video. If you're enjoying it, leave a comment at the comment section. I really appreciate that, and also subscribe for such content. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to the location. All right, so this is the mine. All right, and open, then click on import, and this is the data. All right, so this is the data. So you can see the category is school, the real category is the middle school, Catholic school, elementary school, board of education, and other stuff. All right, so this is basically the keywords, and this is their real school category if it is an elementary school or education institution. Okay, and this is the name of the school. Okay, so you can see this is the business name, Alexander City Middle School, Benjamin Russell High School. So this is it, and this is their address. This is the city, the state. This is the postal, which is the zip code. This is the country. This is their phone number, and this is the emails. Okay, and this is their website if they have. Okay, this is their website, and you have a lot of data over here, so you can find them on map. Okay, so this basically find the businesses on Google Map. All right, so this is it. All right, so that is all. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. So if you are facing issues concerning the export over here, all you have to do is just select all. Okay, press Ctrl plus C to copy it, then you can go to your sheet and paste it over there. So let's say I'm creating a new sheet, so I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and the same thing came here. All right, so this is other option. All right, so thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please subscribe if you want such content. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and also leave your comment at the comment section. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.